Hey guys, so I'm aboard the Fairline Targa 38 and I'm with Garmin, who have been showing us all of their new latest integrated marine technology. So there's two of the new 9000 series plotters on board here. So these were officially launched at the end of October. So there's three new models in the range, the 10-inch, the 13-inch and the 17-inch, which joins the 19-inch, the 24-inch and the 27-inch. So prices here start around £3,189. So all models feature 4K resolution, apart from that smaller 10-inch one, just because of the size of the screen, but that is still full HD. So as you can see, the new generation has such a wide colour range and high contrast because you've got the option to turn off backlighting completely, which is ideal for low light conditions on night passages. So this system is fully loaded and installed with a 13-inch unit, which is standard for this vessel. Performance has had a major leap forward. So it's now capable of gigabit per second speed, allowing for smooth integrated operation of third-party apps directly onto the plotter. So this means everything. Navigation, media controls and monitoring is all accessible from this one screen, which is amazing. So my favourite demo that we did was the integration with the Lumishore lights they have on board, which had sound to light control, which I absolutely love. So redraw rates are up to 7 times faster than previous 8000 series, and that improvement is especially valuable for fishermen, providing near instant updates on sonar data and mapping overlays. Also, if you've got kids aboard or family or just for yourself, you can actually use it as a TV as well, I'm told. So onto the audio system. So the boat has been kitted out with a 6-channel amplifier and the audio has been divided into 4 independent zones, all controllable again from this main Garmin unit. So it features M6 Lux speakers up here, which are discrete premium quality units, complemented by a pair of 8-inch bespoke mounted stand speakers. So the slimline subwoofer, which I can't show you because it's actually hidden away, is only 94 millimeters deep. So it sits neatly hidden but adds depth without any intrusion. So we tested the system and the sound quality is absolutely exceptional. Clear, powerful and perfectly balanced even at high volume. So this installation also includes an MVI amplifier which allows individual tuning for each zone. Garmin offers a professional calibration service where audio engineers optimize every speaker to the boat's layout, which is incredible. So the result, well, imagine you're on a huge super yacht and imagine cinematic surround sound on that large flybridge, immersive and crystal clear. Now, probably one of my favourite parts that they showed us as well is the wearable integration. So this is, if you can see the screen there, the quatix 8 Pro. So Garmin's quatix 8 Pro watch integrates directly with the vessel systems. So you can control and even steer the boat from your wrist. It is literally so clever. Responsiveness can be fully adjusted to suit personal preference, and the watch also acts as a remote control for the plotters, switching views, zooming in and out and managing key functions through Garmin's wireless connectivity. So there's also an integrated SOS feature, which hopefully you'll never need. And with an additional subscription service, you can also receive calls or voice notes directly from your wrist. And I witnessed a test call and it was impressively clear, seamless and entirely hands-free. Also, what I thought was really cool, there's a live tracking function, so it's perfect for people wanting to track your location, which is a fantastic safety feature, I think, when you're out on the water. So, all in all, an absolute awesome morning out on the sea with Garmin, who really are at the cutting edge of marine technology.